Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you my humble apartment. Let's go!
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So far, for my almost 7 years here in Macau, ito yung pinakamagandang apartment na natuluyan ko. Kasi usually, ang buhay dito sa abroad, makikishare ka talaga ng apartment sa kapwa mo OFW. Hindi siya ganun kalaki, pero perfect lang talaga siya for couple. So, itutour ko na kayo. Let's go! Pasok mo, meron kaming biniling na shura. O ayan, perfect yung ganyang shura kapag maliit lang yung space. Nakagat ko yung labi ko. So ayan, perfect yung ganyang shura kapag maliit lang yung space nyo. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi siya nangunguha ng malaking space dito sa hallway. Dito, malinis lang siya. So, pagpasok ko, ayan na siya. Ito yung hallway. Then, dito ay sampayan, dehumidifier, para matuyo yung mga damit at hindi siya mag-amoy loob. And then, sa kanan naman, ayan na agad ang bathroom. Diyan na yung washing machine. And then, ito na ang aming kusina. Tada! Nagluluto pala ako. So, ayan siya. Tapos, dito na yung mga lalagyan namin ng mga plato. Tapos, yung cabinet dito lalagyan namin. Tapos, yun na, ganyan. Ito, super cute nito. Nabili namin yung tauban ng mga plato. Good for 2 person lang talaga siya. Perfect siya for couple. Especially kapag maliit lang yung space nyo. So, malaki pa rin yung space dito. So, isang kemot lang. Pupunta na tayo sa aming sala. Tada! This is our living room. Katabi niya ang kusina. So, ayan ang kitchen. Ito ang aming living room. And then, ito naman ang aking study area. So, ayan ang makikita nyo. Then, ayan, mahilig kasi ako sa mga pictures, mga sulat-sulat, mga libro. Ito naman yung mga collection kong books. So, then, ayan. Ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. Tapos eto, kung makikita nyo, itong carpet namin dito, binili ko to online sa China. Super mura niya lang. Siguro mga nasa 1,000 pesos lang siya. Yan. Ayan yung living room namin. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, wala kaming dining area. Dito na kami kumakain every dinner. Or usually kapag ako lang, dito ako kumakain sa study table. Ay! Kung makikita nyo, ito pala, painting ko yan. Kaming dalawa ni Hafa sa Palawan. It's from 2016 pa. Ang itim namin, diba? Kasi sobrang init na ng araw, guys. Kaya umitim na kami. From dito sa sala, konting kembot lang. 1, 2. At nandito na tayo sa aming bedroom. Tada! Ayan. Tapos, nandun yung mirror. Tapos, doon ako nagbe-makeup. Tapos, eto, yung mga pinag-aaralan ko about interior design. And then, I have some plants over there. It's so cute. Tapos, dito, cabinet din siya. Ayan, dito ako nag-work usually. Dito yung laptop. Ayan, painting ulit over there. Dito ako nag-edit ng vlogs. So, this is our very cozy apartment.
About to see the world in action. What we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So, ayun guys. Then, ito naman ang aking mga pang-yoga and for workouts. Tada! Nako, ito very helpful talaga sa akin to. Highly recommended. Especially kapag masyado kang pagod, mapapatunog na yung likod mo. Very relaxing kapag meron ka nito. Yoga mat, and then elastics. So, galing to sa Brazil. So, sobrang ganda niya, di ba? Sunflower. Binili ko to. Handmade siya. And then, this is my favorite painting. Pinaint ko 2017 nung masyado akong heartbroken. And ang title nito, actually, Resiliency. Parang sa emotion ng babae, parang babangon ako at maging matatag ulit. Ganun. So, Resiliency ang title ng painting na to. Very meaningful for me. Mahilig ako mag-paint, guys. Ayan. Ito naman, made by Hafa. Like, ito. And then, ito yung first gift ng boyfriend ko sa akin way back 2015 from Guilin, China. At ang aking elephant, isa rin sa mga collection naming elephants. Kung makikita niyo, marami kaming elephants dito sa bahay. Mahilig kami sa elephant. Yan. Ito naman from Bali. Lalagyan siya ng mga pepper, salt, ganyan. Pero hindi namin siya ginamit. Pang display lang siya for remembrance. Tapos, ito naman from Vietnam, from Chia Simoni. And this is from Boracay, Philippines. Ito, galing to sa first ever travel ko with my boyfriend sa Krabi, Thailand. Together with this, I bought this too. And this one is from Da Nang, Vietnam. Rattan bag. And this is also my boyfriend's gift, Huggy. My baby from 2015. Ito naman from Phuket, Thailand. From Rio de Janeiro, Kalaking Museum of Books. Also elephant. And then, ito rin, gift din from my boyfriend. Tapos, etong carpet dito, binili lang ulit namin sa online, which is Taobao. Guys, yung iba ko mga makeup, assigned sa mga makeup ko sa work. Tapos, ito naman, galing naman to ng, saan ito galing? Phuket, Thailand din. Souvenir din from our trip. Then, ito ang aking small garden. Tada! So, andito naman yung aking garden. And nabubuhay naman yung mga plants dyan. Kasi, especially kapag daytime, merong araw dito. So, okay na okay siya. Pag binuksan mo tong bintana na to, wala ka naman masyado makikita dyan. Kung hindi, kapitbahay na building lang. So, ayan. Pero maganda dyan kasi, ayan, kita mo, meron din dyang araw kapag daytime. So, it's nice. Sinasarado ko lang to para hindi tayo pinapanood ng kapitbahay. Ang aking humble home dito sa Macau. Small apartment ng aking boyfriend dito sa Macau. We've been staying here for... Ay, ako lang pala. Kasi nasa Brazil siya. So, I've been staying here for 1 year. My boyfriend and I moved here together way back in 2019. We are so happy to get this apartment. First time ko pa lang talaga siyang nakita. I really fell in love sa structures ng apartment na to, and na-visualize ko na talaga agad kung paano ko siya i-design. And I'm so excited to live alone with my boyfriend because living abroad is so expensive, and it's also not easy to find such a good apartment like this because it's always so expensive. But now, since everything is not in good situation, and of course, priority natin mag-save ng money, so I have to deal with it, and now I decided to move into a smaller space. I actually don't find any rooms yet, but I have to leave as soon as possible. This is life, guys. I'm here abroad to save money, not to live the life that I dream of yet. But for now, let's be practical. I'm going to challenge myself to find a smaller space, probably just a room, which is cheaper. This is not very easy for me to do this. There, eating together here while watching movies there. Yeah, it's so hard to leave this apartment, but I have to because I have to be practical. I love this apartment. This is where I became so happy that I have to deal with the situation and I have to help myself. So now I'm going to move out all my stuffs plus my boyfriend's stuffs all by myself.
Oh no! Oh my god!
So let's do this. And I hope you guys can help me through liking this video, sharing if you can, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel because it's gonna be a big help for me if you do so. So thank you guys for watching and
Already
see you on my next
packing,
video.
come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.